Sorry about the last video getting cut out. So that is the setup right there. Show you the spick. I bought it's actually a kit or whatever you can buy online. I want to say you paid like $50 for it. Took like 3-4 days to come in. That was it. I want to say it was off Wayfair. Don't quote me on it. Matter of fact, let me look at the box and I'll tell you guys. Move out the way, Baloo. Move, you big head fucker. Yeah, Wayfair. Oh, you piece of shit. Just fall down, don't you? Yeah, this house is a mess. I've literally been busy all day doing all of this. This is the spick that comes with it. Some assembly is required, yes, but it's fairly simple. You can work on a car, you put this shit together. Hell, if you can use a screwdriver or a drill or anything, just in general, if you can put anything together, you can put this together. It is movable, as you can see. We'll be starting that first thing in the morning before a workout. And yeah, that's the video. That's, the big gist of things. If you are looking to buy the engine, like I said, contact me, or I will have it up on various sites like eBay, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. It'll probably be under my wife's name, Cami Vickery, or whatever. And like I said, if you want to contact me, we have audacityauto@gmail.com. We also have